How about another round of applause for this great crowd? Well, my name is Bolt, and I'm the PHCS School Board Chair, and this is my 12th year at Pleasant Hill Christian School. And it seems like it gets better every year. This is our last year with a student at the school, and so I'm beginning to wonder, will we ever leave here? And I think the answer is no, we won't. And I don't mean physically, because we'll always be a PHCS family. Our students will always be PHCS students. Do we have any PHCS alumni here tonight? If you are, please stand. Thank you for coming back. This is a wonderful community, and the reason this is a wonderful community is because of these kids, and because of you, and because of the many churches that make up our school, especially this one here, Santa Rosa Christian Church. I want to thank them for hosting us this year. Thank you very much. And I want to thank all the people who put this show on. First and foremost, actually, my wife, JoVonne Bolt, the music teacher. And then capably assisted by the teachers, Julie Reifsteck, Courtney Porter, Mary Jo Kimson, Betsy, and Danielle Nave. And Terry Lee Crandall, she's our wonderful office manager. And last but not least, I think, unless someone tells me otherwise, I wanted to go beyond just thanking these teachers. My role as chairman of the board is to help them as much as possible, our board and our volunteers, and even though they are paid staff, they are on a missionary salary. And this time of the program, this time of year, we like to offer them a love offering. So we will have ushers going through here in the next few minutes while we play a few songs. And whatever you give to the offering plate will go directly, like literally tomorrow, to the teachers. If you give cash, it will go directly, be split up amongst the teachers and the staff as a little end of the year bonus. This is your opportunity to thank them for what they do for these students. Not many schools do this kind of thing. We have a production that lasts for 3 or 4 months in the fall, memorization, choreography, all that kind of stuff that most other schools don't have time for, but we do. So as we close our program tonight with the love offering, a few more songs, before you leave, there are cookies in the back. And I believe they were homemade by Tiffany Essig, who's also a member of this church. So they are especially good treats. So I will get off here. We have some ushers, and I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Yes, before we start singing while the offering is being taken, just in case you are looking for a last-minute gift, our 4th through 6th graders are selling calendars out in the lobby, and they're reduced to $5 each. So if you want to get one of those, see a 6th grader. Okay, 6th graders, it's like kind of like snack bar. You're going to help me take the money. Will you sing a couple easy verses with me about adoring our Savior as the offering is taken? Oh, come, let us adore Him. Oh, come, let us adore Him. Oh, come, let us adore Him. Christ the Lord. Merry Christmas. Please enjoy some treats in the foyer. We just want to make sure the sanctuary stays nice. Everyone, let's wish everyone a Merry Christmas. 1, 2, 3.
Merry